Hey YouTube, today we're gonna look at how to install all applications from Windows XP onto Windows 10. All lost applications like, how do I explain? How to install things like Pinball and Windows Movie Maker. Some applications are not working properly, but that's because, well, it's Windows XP and it's not meant to run on modern Windows. So what you need to do is you need to install Windows XP into a virtual machine. I will not provide these files just because I don't want to get sued by Microsoft and or get anything DCMI claimed. So you extract the program files folder, you basically rename it or keep it this way, whatever you want. I rename it to Windows XP program files. Then I will show you the locations of the files you need to drag to here, or make a shortcut to, whatever you desire. So you go in here you go in Movie Maker, you see this? Make a shortcut to your desktop, that is Movie Maker. Do not mess around with those files, you'll get things fucked up. Here's Pinball, also sent to desktop. Pinball is an awesome game, I still recommend that. Please Microsoft, if you fucking hear this, bring back Pinball. Pinball, best application for Windows ever. Brings back so many memories. This one doesn't work at all. Just look at this. It's blocked. And this. Yeah, don't fuck around with this. Outlook doesn't work. Messenger doesn't work. Internet Explorer maybe. Some operating system executives. I did it in a virtual machine. There it worked, but in here it doesn't work at all. Here's nothing. So basically what you need to do is download an ISO from the network. I will not provide anything of Windows XP. Install it inside a virtual machine and extract the files. You don't have to have the license installed even. Just install it. Maybe you have a serial key and have some fun inside the virtual machine, but you don't have to provide a serial key, I think. As long as you have the program files in my folder visible, you can install Movie Maker on this PC. And now we go to my desktop, look at Movie Maker. It's Movie Maker, it's working. I'm not lying, I'm not clickbaiting, and it's Pinball, also working. Nobody can have Pinball. Please don't go in there. Fuck you. The left side, you're basically screwed. Don't spam me in this game, this is the only game that disallows buttons. The first game I know, I mean, that if you do each button too many times, will tilt the game. You don't want the game to tilt. Mushroom thing. Just give a little bit like yeah. Let's go on this. Windows Movie Maker still works, I think. Let's insert some footage. Try to mute it or something. Okay, we go in here, then we go here. It's not a Movie Maker tutorial, by the way. Yeah, Those files probably don't work. I have to convert them. No. Yeah, I have to convert those files. So let's just download something. Nah, let's not do that. That's also copyrighted shit. Let's just install some pinball sounds on it. Shall we? Import audio. Then we go into here. Let's see. Go to this. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do Jesus Christ, that's loud. So basically, that's it. So all the applications work. Just make sure to not install it inside your program files folder or your program file folder x68. I think x68 is probably good, but if you do it on your own risk, don't make it even broke. See ya guys later.